What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we'll be drop testing the Note 9 and seeing exactly how durable it is. We'll be drop testing this device from 10 possible angles. That is the bottom, the sides, the corners, and the front and back. Now the Note 9 has 3 lives to survive all 10 drops. If all 3 break, it's an utter failure. Obviously the goal is to have none of the phones be cracked by the end of the drop test. To start things off, we're dropping it on the bottom left corner from 4 feet in 3, 2, 1. Looks like the glass in the front is okay. Ooh, no, it's not. We've got ourselves a cracked bottom left display. We've got ourselves a brand new purple Note 9. We're gonna be dropping on the top right. Here we go. The brand new first drop, instant death. Note 9 destroyed. Such a pretty blue on the Note 9 this year. Let's go ahead and see if it'll survive. 2, 1. Let's go ahead and see if it managed to survive. Oh my God, it's destroyed in so many different places too. Look at that. Man, it's such a pretty thing to destroy too. Oh. Okay, so we had 3 out of 7 failed drops. That means the Note 9 fails our drop test completely. So there you go. Samsung's latest Note 9 is an extremely fragile phone. Somehow the Note 8 managed to survive all 10 drops without breaking once last year. I'm not sure what Samsung did wrong this year. Maybe it was just unlucky the way that they were hitting the ground. So in my mind, this just goes to show that we still have a long way to go with smartphone durability, that you really want to be getting a case on your device. I'll have a link in the description to a number of case options that I would certainly consider. Now I'll be bringing you guys some more drop tests in the near future, so if you don't want to miss out on those, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon, out.